So yesterday I had a hole about like this with a little bigger hole dug around it. I was able to get down about 7 or 8 feet, and I went and picked up the track hoe this morning, and now this is what we got. I've been on the track hoe for about 4 hours, maybe 5 hours, and tape measure shows 11 feet. It's probably closer to 12 feet. And the soil it's just full of moisture. And so I have a hard time stopping. You know, any normal person would have stopped a long time ago. But I'm a little bit committed. I'm trying to fix the transition here a little bit so it's not quite so steep to where I can get down here and keep digging. This is the exact spot, maybe under that rock right there is the exact spot where the well witcher said it was 6 feet. So, I don't know. I probably should call it at some point here, but now I'm far enough into this where I want to see it through. So what I may do is get down as deep as I comfortably can, and I may actually try and use my what do you call it, that post hole auger again to go down even deeper. Although it's so rocky now, I'm not sure if that's even an option, but I'm gonna keep playing. Well, I tried. I dug as deep as I felt I could safely dig. I'm down 14 feet approximately. Yeah, about 14 feet. It's just not safe. And who knows? Who knows how much deeper I may have to go. So I'm gonna throw a few stumps down in the hole, and I'm gonna backfill it. I've got a couple nice big mounds here to push in. You know, I'm out maybe 30 bucks in fuel is all, so I guess I can say that I tried, but the next step is once I get this all backfilled, I'm actually gonna go ahead and hire there's a local well driller There's a couple of them actually, but I'm gonna go hire one that was recommended, and just see how deep he has to go to figure this out. Now it's gone from trying to prove the well witcher right to, I guess, trying to confirm that there's even water here. I will, before I drill here, if I in fact drill here, I will naturally discuss with the well driller what he thinks, but I think this is as good a place on the property as any. It's one of the lower places. There may be out here there may be a little flatter spot, but I don't want the well that close to the road. But anyway, you know, I tried. I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna get this hole backfilled. My son is coming up, my 12-year-old son Rhett's coming up, and we're gonna stay the night up here and have a guy's night, just me and him, and maybe play around a little bit. Thanks.